Okay guys, so we got some news. I rented a SG60 stump grinder. I'll show you the job tomorrow. We got about 6 or 7 stumps, big stumps, to grind, and the tree contractor who cut the trees down doesn't want to go back. He says it's too muddy for him to get in there, which is untrue. I was there today. It was bone dry, but it's okay. So the builder asked me if I could help him out. I said, well, the only thing I could do is rent a stump grinder for the machine. There's no big grinders for rent at our local rental shops. They're all small little grinders for homeowners essentially. So I called North Jersey, my dealership, and they said they had one. So I was actually pretty happy about it because I did not think they would have one. This is not a very popular attachment. I do not see it around much, and I'm surprised that I don't see it around more, but I guess in New York there's not many stumps to grind. So I rented this, and the bucket that's underneath it is a 72-inch 4-in-1 bucket that I grabbed for the S300. So I will take that out and I'll show that to you as well. So this thing was a real son of a gun to load. Let's see if Danger Zone and I fare better getting it out of the truck. An SG50 or something they made years previous. Here's the man who's going to run it tomorrow. He's scared out of his mind.
Let's go, Wash.
That's not a good selling point.
Let's go.
It looks very intimidating.
Mike.
Yeah.
Do you know why they didn't want to grind those stumps?
Why?
Because there's concrete mixed in.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we're going to wreck that.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's like that. You know what? Let's go on.
All right, so the stump grinder is doing its thing. Little muddy back here. Let's see how he did over here. Not too bad. Looks like he got down pretty good. Oh, look at this. Pretty good. We're gonna have to be putting a wall all along here. So this is why we gotta get rid of all this material. And we're getting rid of this wall as well. So we definitely got some work ahead. Still gotta get rid of that stump. Guess he's gonna try to use the excavator now, get it down to grade. This is one of those jobs where it's just a multi-step process.
Don't use the machine right now on the job site because I'm renting this.
Yeah, you're bringing that thing to me. What are you doing? That thing is dangerous. Wow. What a job this turned out to be.
is in a line. Look.
Yeah.
Then they put little rocks and cement
In the
to
front.
make a wall.
To make the wall face for the neighbor's side.
Yep.
Oh, well, that was nice of them.
And those big, those big rocks sank in it.
All right. Well, it worked
so
for all these years.
What we got to watch out for
Yes.
is we can't hit. I got a boulder over there, but it's surrounded by tree roots.
Oh boy.
So we gotta
Yeah, I see it.
find the tree roots.
I see it's right down there.
Yeah, not hit the boulder.
Huh. Well, that'll be interesting. I'll be going for that.
Because I got the roots here and the roots there.
All right. Really quickly, what are your thoughts on the stump grinder? What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Dislike it? Were you impressed or unimpressed?
It's good.
It's a good attachment.
It's a good attachment. Whether it's worth $8,500, you'd have to really weigh your options and see how much a regular stump grinder would be.
One of the walk-behind machines.
Right.
I definitely think attaching it to a Bobcat is better than even the track stump grinders. I mean, you know, I don't know track stump grinders, but they can't be cheap.
They can't be cheap. It all depends. If you do it once in a while, it's fine. But the dedicated stump grinders are strong.
They're probably good.
They're strong. But they're dedicated stump grinders. And can a non-track stump grinder walk down here today? I don't think so.
Definitely not. Well, the guy had a track stump grinder. That's why I don't understand what all the dilemma was. But
He didn't have the combination of the excavator and the stump grinder here available. And he knew that they were nestled in rock.
all he
So
had to
that
do was schedule the excavator, and we very easily could have worked that out. But listen, it's all water under the bridge or
water under the
over
bridge
the
or
dam.
stumps that are already ground.
Yeah. So I basically had that stump down to grade. So I was impressed with it. I think it performed well. But for us, it doesn't pay to own. I think it pays to rent. Maybe if you're dedicated to stump grinding and you only want to have one machine, I mean, definitely it's something to look
Absolutely, it's
into.
the thing to look
Yeah,
into.
definitely. You got the trailer, you can put a bucket grapple, stump grinder with a T630 or even an S300, whatever machine you got, and you could be a one-stop shop.